Japan House Los Angeles is currently featuring a visually stunning exhibition that explores Japan's unique culture of hyper-realistic food replicas, a craft that is as mouth-watering as it is fascinating. These life-sized models of dishes, known as Sampuru from the English word sample, have been a staple in Japanese restaurant windows for nearly a century, blending artistry, craftsmanship, and culinary culture. The art of Sampuru. In Japan, food replicas are not mass-produced plastic figures, but meticulously handcrafted works of art. Highly skilled artisans use wax, resin, and modern materials to create dishes so realistic that visitors often have to resist the urge to take a bite. Every texture, from the marbling of a steak to the glistening droplets on a glass of beer, is painted and molded with precision to capture the essence of fresh, appetizing food. History and cultural roots. Sampuru culture began in the early 20th century, influenced by Japan's modernization and the rise of Western-style dining. Restaurants used these replicas to show customers exactly what dishes looked like. In an era when photographs were rare, menus lacked pictures, and language barriers sometimes posed challenges for foreign visitors. Over time, these replicas evolved into a unique cultural symbol, representing Japan's attention to detail and hospitality. The Japan House Exhibit Experience. At the Japan House exhibit, visitors are greeted with vibrant displays, bowls of ramen with steam, seemingly frozen in mid-rise, sushi glistening as if just sliced, and desserts that capture the perfect drip of syrup. Interactive sections allow attendees to watch behind-the-scenes videos of artisans at work, revealing how each layer of a food item is shaped, colored, and assembled. The display also highlights the intersection of food, art, and tourism. The replicas not only inform diners, but also serve as a visual language that bridges cultures. For international visitors, these displays make Japanese dining more approachable, while for locals, they are a reminder of the meticulous artistry inherent in everyday life, more than just restaurant decor. Today, Sampuru is recognized beyond restaurant windows, with collectors, museums, and even technology companies exploring their potential in education, art, and immersive design. The exhibit showcases both traditional creations and contemporary twists, such as food replicas used in jewelry, phone cases, and gallery installations, underlining how the craft is continually evolving. Conclusion. The Japan House exhibition offers more than a look at deliciously convincing dishes. It invites visitors to appreciate the craftsmanship and cultural heritage behind them. The history of Sampuru food replicas, known as Shokuhin Sampuru in Japan, began in the early 20th century. The craft originated around 1932 when Takizo Iwasaki, inspired by wax objects, created the first realistic food replica made from wax, an omelette stuffed with rice and ketchup. This replica was so lifelike that it fooled his wife, sparking a food replica industry. Initially used by restaurants to showcase menu items visually, especially useful when literacy was not widespread and to illustrate unfamiliar Western-style dishes. Sampuru gained popularity in department stores and expanded post-World War II, including helping American soldiers order food during the US occupation of Japan. The replicas were originally made from wax, but switched to more durable plastic materials like polyvinyl chloride and synthetic resins from the 1970s onward, allowing for more realistic textures, colors, and longevity. These replicas are crafted by skilled artisans using silicone molds and meticulous hand-painting techniques, creating hyper-realistic models that accurately mimic the appearance of real food. The industry is centered in places like Gujo Hachiman, a town known for this craft, and Tokyo's Kappabashi district, famous for kitchenware and food samples. Sampuru serve practical roles in advertising and customer hospitality, as well as cultural roles, reflecting Japanese pride in craftsmanship and monozukuri, the spirit of making things with dedication and attention to detail. They are also used in culinary education and appreciated as a form of art in their own right. Despite modern digital menus and food photography, many Japanese restaurants continue to use Sampuru for their unique ability to visually convey dishes to customers and maintain a strong cultural tradition. Thanks for watching.